Hello, hi, welcome to your English YouTube channel. Degrees of comparison type 3. Degrees of comparison type 3. Degrees of comparison are basically 3. Positive degree, comparative degree, superlative degree. Clever, example, clever, cleverer, cleverest. Now take the scenario of a class. The students are A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J and they got these ranks. Yes, J, I, H, G got F got first rank and remaining got the remaining ranks and A got here in this scenario fourth rank. So according to this we can write the statement A is not the cleverest student in the class because generally people will say who got the first rank is the cleverest, highest superlative degree, cleverest. But here A didn't get the first rank, so A is not the cleverest student in the class. According to this, A is not the cleverest student in the class. This is superlative degree. Now, how to convert this into comparative degree and how to convert this into positive degree? That is our query now. Now, let us see. We have to compare this A with the remaining. Yes, comparison between two things. Comparative degree. And A is one group, remaining all one group. A got fourth rank, remaining got the respective ranks. So now we have to compare this A with the remaining. Yes, and this is negative. A is not because not the cleverest student. So this GHIJ got the first ranks and remaining got the 5, 6, 7, 3, 2 ranks. So A got the fourth rank. So A is cleverer than this 5, 6, 7, 3, 5, 6, 7 and A is not cleverer than this 1, 1, 1 and 2, 3 because 4 is in the middle of that. So A is cleverer than, A is not cleverer than some other boys in the class. A is not cleverer than some other boys in the class. So we have to name this particular group into some other boys. Yes. Then A is not cleverer than some other boys in the class. So comparative degree plus than we have to use. A is not cleverer than some other boys in the class. This is comparative degree. Now coming to positive degree. Positive degree go from this side. So we have to start from this side. A got fourth rank. Remaining 5, 6, 7, 3, 7 got few ranks. Yes. So this also we can call this as some other. Some other students, boys I have written, make that as a students. Yes. Some other students in the class, let them be boys. Some other boys in the class are at least as clever as A. Some other boys in the class are at least as clever as A. So once again observe here, according to this scenario, A got fourth rank. A is not the cleverest boy in the class compared to superlative degree. A is not the cleverest boy in the class, superlative degree. When comparison starts from that side. We have to compare this A and not. So A is not cleverer than some other boys in the class. Some other boys is in the class. These are not cleverer than A. 5, 6, 7 are not cleverer than A. So A is not cleverer than some other students in the class. And these are 1 I, J, H, I, J. They got 1, 2, 3 ranks. 1, 2, 3 ranks of cleverer than A. So some other boys in the class are at least as clever as A. At least as clever as A. This is positive degree. Now see this. Yes, superlative degree always with THE followed by superlative degree. Comparative degree always followed by THAN, than. Comparative degree after than. Superlative degree before THE. And positive degree as or as. And here in this scenario, because it's negative, not cleverer than, in this scenario we have to definitely use at least, as at least in positive degree. At least we have to use at least. So some other boys in the class are plural are at least. In the negative statement we have to use at least because A is not. So we have to use at least. Some other boys in the class are at least as clever as A, positive degree. So THEB plus superlative degree, CD comparative degree plus than, at least, as plus positive degree plus as. So this is particularly type 3. Negative sentence will come. A is not the cleverest boy in the class, not, because A got the 4th rank. A is not cleverer than some other students, because some other students not cleverer than some other students. Some other students got better rank. Some other students are at least as clever as A. They are somewhat okay with the A. So finally, this is the way to convert superlative degree into comparative degree into positive degree. These steps we have to remember properly. D plus superlative degree, comparative degree plus than. This is negative statement. We have to write at least, as plus positive degree plus as. I hope all of you understand. Yes, please subscribe, like, share, comment. Thank you.